Ugh, dude, that was wet.
Why?
Hey, I did not sign up for that. That's gross.
No, why would you do that?
I was covering your mouth.
I didn't ask you to cover my mouth for my sneeze.
Dude, it's 2022. Men need to support each other.
Okay, yeah, whatever. But like, I'll just cover my own face, okay?
You know what? Okay, because your sneeze is way too wet anyway.
Wait, no, they're totally normal wetness.
Nah, dude, that was like Splash Mountain on my hand. Like, you need to go see a doctor.
No, my sneezes are... Oh, what the...
Thank you.